Facilitation is a crucial skill which allows groups to achieve their goals through collaboration. This 2-day advanced facilitation skills program is designed to equip you with the confidence, structure, and techniques to guide groups towards clear, successful outcomes, even when the path isn't obvious. Across the course, we explore what a successful facilitator does, and just as importantly, what they don't do. You'll learn how to design and lead events that move people from discussion to decision, apply creative techniques that unlock fresh thinking, and manage the group dynamics that can make or break a session. You'll build competence in the 12 core skills of facilitation, from creating the right climate and managing the process, to maintaining direction, monitoring progress, and ensuring momentum continues long after the event has ended. Through practical exercises and structured feedback, you'll develop the ability to confidently handle conflict and navigate resistance. We also introduce the Facilitator's route map, a step-by-step guide to setting up, marketing, designing, and delivering dynamic facilitated events. By the end of the program, you'll leave with a clear personal action plan and the practical tools to apply everything you've learned back in your organization. This course is available throughout the UK and provides 11 hours of recognized CPD. For any queries, please email info@ptp.co.uk.